how to share designs and folders in Canva quick tips. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after logging into your Canva account, you can see there is option you will be seeing here. Like you can see here, from options you just have to simply click on select alls, or you can just click on projects option from here, and after clicking on projects option you can see a option called add new, and here you can see you can add new folder, course or design. So if you click on folder option, you can just create a new folder like basic, and then you can just click on continue, and after that you can click on folders option from here, and you can see the basic folder is now created, and you can just add designs to this option. So for that you just have to click on your projects, and you can see all the designs here. You can choose multiple designs. You can choose multiple designs and click on move to move the design to your folder, and you can also click on add new and click on design, and you can also click on choose, and then you can add other designs to your project or the folder you have just created. And now you can just simply click on share, and you can just type in your team members or any email address from here, and they will get a notification, and if they click on the notification they will be automatically added or have access to your folder. And you can also click on the three dot from here. You can also rename the folder from here, and you can go to the projects back on, and you can just click on three dots from here, and you can press on the share icon from here, and you can also add people from here. So that's it for this video. That's how you can share your folder or designs to others in Canva. See you on the next video, guys.